Alright, asante sana so dakta kabisa. Karibu msikilizaji na mtazamaji na nda sensemeiga yakatunyuka kwanira na kotebinga na kulirira nkoto na bageni gaiga ase studio na kotemkoto no mwalimu kurunga Kiblangat na boigo madama imambi yabono asinchire yabene kigma kuruchisa mochiri chaki turuba saba technical and vocational college imambi yabono wachira mwana mangana mansuki marato mayiguro yobokoreri ebuwe chiseme ase eskuru eli ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College. Karibu sana walimu ndani ya studio. Naamini kwamba ndugu yangu hapa wenda pengine tutakuwa tunajanganya lugha kidogo kwa sababu ya kutoelewa lugha ya Ekegusi kidogo, lakini madamu yatakuwa nazungumzia mengi zaidi na kukupa uondo kwa lugha yetu ya nyumbani igona kwa irasi nchira bene kima. Tukianza kwa majina ni nani wako ndani ya studio? Tuanze na wanasema ladies first.
Mbiyamona sana asoko ngari bagambo yamona sana getembe asoko twarigani ase studio yetu ko rero nchenguru kwa Irene Kerubo giteya ngosomya ali school ya Kitutu Masaba igonde head of department HOD ya business mbiyamona
Hairidi giteya umwalimu utendeta magana ya department ya business amagana aliyobu nchuli ya gali ya head of business HOD na ero kwa na magana amana ntubono mambia. Karibu sana madam Irene giteya ase studio.
Mbiyamona sana
Umwalimu majina.
Asante sana. Kwa majina ni Victor Kiblangat. Nafunza chuo cha kiufundi cha Kitutu Masaba katika department ya electrical and I'm the HOD examinations. We also call it examination officer.
Alright, asante sana. Mwalimu Kiblangat yeye ni anafunza katika masuala yale ya electricals na pia yeye ndiye anasimamia mambo ya mitihani. Karibu sana bwana Kiblangat ndani ya studio.
Asante sana.
Moja kwa moja tukianza tunapozungumzia juu ya Kitutu Masaba. Kitutu Masaba ni kiki madam?
Kitutu Masaba ne skuru yobo bundi ekwegeria mangana yobo bundi chikosi chonsi cha magoko ntubwate chikosi oroto kwegeria igo togo somi amangana yobo bundi skill based na kito kwegeria ali skuru ntubwate skuru ya business Roma itenda oto kwegeria obubundi bwito mone to gutumia chi computer ndori gutumia obubundi bwa magoko mono
igikiro ko teba kilinga Kitutu Masaba sanga ne school ya school italia school ndenke school obubundi school enene
school ya serikali school enene to kwegeria chikosi chonsi
bono andake asomuntu uli oganiti kumanya school iganga yegotoka ngaimo gotoka
onya gokorwa songo school ya itogo ikabirungo ya ruguru okero waikira birongo ya ruguru ere kilomita 2 gochasa kuri kumunguni wanne gokorwe side ya Keroka no bado weka birongo ya ruguru ne kilomita 2 gochari bitino byaito bya Mongoni no school ya itego toka ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College
Vaso wanu mwanchibuliringa kwa igule Kitutu Masaba ne college ose school yobo bunde ejiwe kwegeria magana yobo bunde nabo igo asichikosi au aye nuganiti school iga bono mambia nuganiti kubiko mwana ugo wenda ikago sinayo gadi kwenda kusoma unabate bagali maitobata masomo talikokota nobo mwanene no banga kina bakosoma bono genda mpaka se umuchulio birongo ase birongo ni amata ya ruguru yango ni kwabeka igwa birongo ya ruguru wika birongo gali swaime ogenda ya masema mpaka ensemo ya Mongoni nange nabwo muchumbe Kitutu Masaba Kraifumba yoga gugu ikansa gugu kwanyere skuru eno ere nayo nyole skuru asora bwate chikosi waika tuko no muchumba ndemba mayitebuwa ye bono no ere skuru no erangene
skuru erange sana na sobo muchumbe akeigo gotira sini niga watika sobo muchumbe maiga akeiga kwagenda akeiga iga sini nange 200 meters waikire skuru yaito na ande mwariganiri sana gocha
sasa pengine kuna yule angependa kuwapata kwa njia ya simu, pengine mwanafunzi huenda ikawa ni mzazi kidogo tu niingie kwa ndugu yangu pale Kiblangat atufahamishe kwamba kuna njia mtu anaweza ufikia kama Kitutu Masaba.
Asante sana Sariko.
Naam.
Tunapatikana katika nambari ya simu.
Naam.
Na pia kwa email and Facebook. Nambari ya simu ya shule yetu ni 0743 48 999. Kwa Airtel tunapatikana katika 0782 490 068. Email You can mail us through kitutumasapa@tvc@gmail.com. We have also a website which you can communicate through. Our website is www.kmtvc.ac.ke. And then also we are available on social media, Facebook. Our page is called Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College with 4K followers.
Kwa hivyo ni mtu atapenda kutowafikia kila mahali mnapatikana. Nambari ya simu umepatiana, tofuti umepatiana, mitandao yote umepatiana. Madam inoiro legend mbichia sinchira hiki gusiyosi.
Nabogo tonyora gwetera namba ito yesimi 0743 480 999 wasonyo wale 0782 490 068.
Basoro mwanchi mulili Ayurase TV nabokore nambiyo Ayurase Radio nabugo nambiyo ya masema sinchira bena tudene anse kili mukuru wabono service program chene chilichechiga alikitu masaba. Madam Irene
ase school yaito ya Kitutu Masaba tokuruchi program chinyinge chonsi tigancha kerese program ya agricultural and extension amangana yo agriculture ngorutore agricultural extension level 5. As agricultural extension level 5 no monto wate deep lane nero gochororo eke wange kigeta geto monto we deep lane agokola level 5 kagokola level 5 aweta matemu gagusuka ache level 6 ase level 6 into tokwana na school mpaka level 6 tokwana na ko level 3 mpaka level 6 kwa gokola level 6 eito alikoro kakare diploma lere tokonyoka under SIDAC egase SIDAC tokonyeroka level 6 onya gotaita ko gendera gochigoro level 7 ne university lakini ntugalia college tokolko level 3 mpaka level 6 onya gotaita ko bwate grade ge C- ogo chokole level 6 lakini ale tubwate modularized curriculum togo chaka module 1 ona 20 pia togo chaka 1 twatira gutira una kiruno urarinde gari kiro monta ikire stage yae bono bari bande no gwategrade gocha kwana goika gwati goyone kwana gokora matemu kwana gosoka gwati goyone bakori level 6 na ero kola chi module chae ogenda ntobwate building and civil engineering asetokorwa plumbing level 4 omonto gokora plumbing level 4 no monto ryo ntunto bwate nga toeteti ngwa etete kiro monto nanchi irache school yaito maite ka to kola matem na boko nyorando mungaini pi lakini asenge ncho eitankuarwarete go sekende gya konyora na bende go gusarikera ike school osinyuko kwa amatem agero ugwe igotari ngagoro muriri yaya
ne condition yagera kwagwa bono
ntuna bogo chagari ochaka chi level 3 oche level 4 bakwa chi module ibere mnogo kola level 4 chi module chibere oche level 5 kogokola level 5 wagenda level 6 as plumbing etokonyoka water engineering ntobwate masonary level 4 masonary no bwagati as level 4 togokwa chi module ibere kogokoro oche level 5 as level 5 togokwa building technology level 5 kogokola level 5 oche level 6 mnogo rugabore bundiengiya ogotwagachire nyombengiya doriko na kogore maswa
corona biko enyumbure yetule mana bakwagachi
gokwagachire ngiya nane wetani yagwa korera kiregento untobwate civil engineering no bwagachi bwechipara ona ebuno gochagari na gotaite ototie koreta aba China incho kole civil engineering tokwegeria mangana yo kwagacha chipara watu bekera emitaro biya je drainage naonaka kero county government yago toroserie para kwa batena kiya ya ga turabeka mo bekari karabati biya unchoko le civil engineering na reto ko civil engineering level 6
yes
intogwate amangana computing and informatic department ina mangana ya ICT togwate packages ne ryo gocho mutenyo ya moto kwegeri basics ya computer tokwegeri buno go kune computer umanye basic chiri cha chinge chiko computer packages ekero mwana ko form 4 akogende college aganyete gogocha tokwegeri mweterero kiregento na mangana ye computer uikomanya computer no nesime yaito maite tobwate uiko tokoboka mambiga o mwana sime goikana korangara yari kwabeke password yari gwakunaiga bononeke rutaita mangana ye computer kwa ne skuru go laptop uikomanya basics tiria chinge igabu tokwegeri ICT operator level 4 oino monto gwate grade gya no twara no twara D minus eto konyoroka level 4 nto gwate ICT technician level 5 awe a deep plane to kwena na chi module inye 4 modules so kire tamu go chamno kwa ramatem to akubarire a module ko kwende tamu yakabe to akubarire module chine chi module ibere koruga bwa samangana ICT to gwate ICT technician level 6 asamangana level 6 to ate oko kwara chi module 6 modules ne grade go twara ne C minus ko gwate C minus aibona wa qualified gukora grade gya level 6 eito ari koroka kare diploma so ko bate C plain o C minus wa qualified gukora amangana ya ICT technician level 6 nto bate cyber security level 6 wana iko kwa beiro mo nyene computer tagetenga tokoroka a wizard
baide abunye gona abanyagitari bich computer ande se ugengi ya unomoro gwe computer because actually anajua kila kitu
bona buga gokoro gakiregento bona to konyara kumuyibera nerura kuibere bona nkwegeri tora mangana ya cyber security ekero kwara lengo noni ga igo muntu naro gocho chikora kuibero chikohaki system omuntu nero gocha akoro arorenga ki ingoyo chitaga chakora kune mitandae yao nero yogocha akora cyber security ntubata networking system level 6 unabona system yetore maiga igatoko kwana omuntu nero gocha to connect egere system to igwekana na to igwekana iga na kende gyonse mangana ya internet nero gocha akore
Right, wanchimuliring Madam Hailindi Giteyane ero kwerera mbangana mange kwa nire igurichi programs au bakwegeria abuna kitutu Masava TVC usete Clinical and Vocational College asinchira ya Bene Kigma. Pengine nikirudi kwa mwalimu Kibrangata amezungumzia mengi sana kuhusiana na program zile ama yale courses zile ambazo nyinyi kama shule ya kiufundi ama taasisi ya kiufundi mnatoa kwa mwanafunzi. Lakini pengine tukirudi kwa hii system ya modularized program because naelewa kwamba ni awamu ambayo tuko na mtaala mpya wa CBET. Je, ni nini kile mnafanya kama shule? Labda kidogo elezea kidogo.
Asante sana Onsariko. Kwa hii program ya modular, it's a new program which goes with the CPC. The competence based curriculum
education.
Yeah. So initially the courses when one is enrolled and I get directly either level 5 which is certificate, level 6 which is diploma, or level 4 which is artisan. But now the programs are the curriculum has been broken down into modules.
Yeah, yes.
And all level 4, level 3, level 5, level 6 will enter into module 1 where they start. As you progress towards the upper modules, the level 4, level 3 will exit in module 1, level 3 exits in module 2, level 5 exits in module 5, and then level 6 will continue depending on the number of modules, either module 7 or module 8. So this curriculum is good because at every stage of exit, if you are doing level 6, if you do exam in module 1, you qualify to get a level 3 certificate. Then you proceed, you do exam in module 2, you qualify to get a certificate in level 4. Then also you proceed and then you get another certificate in level 5 and another one in level 6.
Kwa hivyo kusema kwamba mwanafunzi hakuna uhuru wake wa kusoma pole pole kulingana vile anataka. Anaweza maliza level 1 aende kutafuta kazi tena arudi kuendelea. Si kama ilivyokuwa kitambo.
Ndio. Anaweza maliza level 4 atoke atafute kazi, atafute pesa, akuje
aendelea. yono mwencho muliri wetenga mangana rosigwa bira maya siskuru yububundi bono na bukunyara gusoma okwenda soma kaminya kama igo okole ogende kende nabo iga irini mwatebe nga mete kare mwana agaitire kabisa pako ucho kukora wizard inakuwa mbali sana. Sasa mwalimu, tunapozungumzia haya masuala, labda pengine guzia mambo na kutaini wanafunzi, mambo ya mitihani, assessment.
Okay, we have internal assessments which constitute the final grade that someone gets at the end of the module. So internally, we are supposed to have at least 3 assessments. And this constitutes 60% of the grade that a student will get at the end of the module. Now, for this internal assessment, they are average. When you have 4 assessments, you average, and then you get the final that we send to the examining body. Then, for this assessment in Module 1 and Module 2, we are dealing with skill-based. That means we are only examining the hand-on skills. Are you able to do something? We are not examining the theory part. You are not asked to write, but you are examining on how you are performing the task. Like if someone is asked to build, to construct something, so we assess based on his abilities to construct. So much of the marks come from the skills. Only 10% of the marks come from oral questions, which you ask in the process of doing. Yeah.
Right, mwancho muligili no mwancho mategreli Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College gukodera kibla gato mwalimu tita mangana ali electrical na boigo mwalimu Aileen Giteya uyole omu OD boigo asensemeli ya mangana agriculture ubago toera iskuru echiga kose skuru iga nkibwate asura yu mwanafunzi asura yu mwibuli na boigo asinchira bene. Mwalimu bwana Kibragata, tunapozungumzia juu ya mwanafunzi kupata ama kutainiwa pale juone, je, pengine ratiba ni ipi ya kufanya mtihani? Mwanafunzi anahitaji kufanya nini kwa manufaa ya mzazi ambaye anategea moja kwa moja?
Thank you. Once we admit a student, the first stage is registration.
Registration.
Yeah. So when a student is admitted, he or she is supposed to register. So we need only the KCSE, KCP, birth certificate and ID for registration, and also the assessment fees. Once now we register student, we start assessment straight away from that stage. And in this assessment, we are building what we call POE, the portfolio of evidence, where as a student does the practicals, we take photos, we take videos, and if there is any oral assessment, we also record and then we store them. So that process continues until when we are complete with the curriculum for that module.
Yeah.
Then now, from there, a student will sit for external assessment, and then they are all sent to SIDAC for certification.
Pengine kidogo ukihusia mitihani, mnafanya mitihani hipi na kutoka wapi kwa mfano?
Okay, our assessment body is TVET SIDAC mainly. So we still have some students doing NEC, the previous curriculum. But right now we have TVET SIDAC, and also we have NITA. For NITA, it's also a 3-month program where we certify students, we assess students for grade test 3, 2, and 1. But for SIDAC, we are assessing from level 3 up to level 6. Then for NEC, we are assessing from artisan up to diploma.
Right, uwanchu muligili no mwategereli unyolenga etugusanga na balimu abayiga gusaborokia kura siskuru yobubundi ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College abangere ko kwerera obuyimeke gimana ubwansu bikisemi namuno asiskuru ga yobubundi na ayo no mwibuli ya masemo no genda kunyora mangana yuso mwanafunzi usomorokiwa ubwatu kwani go kwenda gusoma siskuru iga na gekora bakiriga go komanyenga tucho kutabera tumanye tiko linde siskuru iga ya chire no bali bagali nene babwateli baga sura yumorokiwa uganiti gusoma komenta masomo kira beno muntu monene nubateli bagalia bene kigma asinchire bene bono tule madam Irene Giteya akero kuligiria abantu barokonyora andake ba somire yani babuga tubu manyira kini bachir school ngati kwa albihal recognition of priority yes
akero bwato bumanyi akini otachiete school ntubwate program ayege ntokyo kogo kora igogo chabaka gari school to kwa certificate nekitogo kwa certificate igogo chato tanje ni maite ko kora gento gete ntumaite go sano maite ko kora gentekyo nayo go chato tanje ntumaite ko kora genteke egento kyo kogo kora o register o kora usilinge 500 ja admission fee 500 onye go taite to gwa accessory school room okuru 3000 chiri busato chioka to ogende ayogende industry toche mbakororo to korore itukori litogo ogocha gukora matemo school room ogocha na evidence ebicharia simna kware kogenda gwakora ebintu otoro kichibicha chao ochega ari school to kwa egento okore tokerore ngai nkwakora na kieke to gwawadi certificate lakini gotageto toche gokorera ari industry ogwakanirwa na 500 toche mbakororo tokororere okore gento kedio gwate bumanyete gukora onya na mangana plumbing ubika machi torore amangana yobwagachi oagachi torore onya ne chitairi okubeka ubike chitairi buyaiga torore nga eyekeneke no maitoko kubeka chitairi onya ne chi video edit torore nga eyekene no maitoko gukora togo kwa task togo tenga kore genteke okore torore nga indu to gwancha umwa uri ko gwases nero watanga omuntu yo na maite ko regenteke moe to kwa ribage ri okore to kwa certificate
igo adake ekatukolera iguru ya umruligo RPL recognition of player inkikike niri asi umuntu nkiyaga niri gukora litangani umuntu onyolire nga nche ni vundinde lakini tinda ende school jeno musoninde lakini tinda ende school nkiagwento kora requirements nkiagwento gutwara
egenta bwana togotwara oiko osebotambe ntuna Kenya oitotware ekebande kero gwatware ekebande ekina kige gukoro kingaye no mu Kenya nabo gochaga ari nekebande kyao ochide ngobwatire level ki anya to someti pia ayegwache to kaigeriwe to kwa level 3 anya go someto waikere bogetele ugatware grade gete to kwa ekorengana buno sometangana
Nama mwalimu Kibrangata angependa kuguzia kuhusiana na mpango wa RPL.
Asante sana. RPL, recognition of prior learning, it's actually a government initiative which is aimed at certifying those skilled people outside there who are able to do their work but they don't have certification. So actually, what is only required is ID, and the process, once you apply to our institution for RPL, we will guide you. We have what we call facilitators who will tell you what to do. And the first thing you do is to look for POE. POE means you come with evidence of what you have been doing in the field. If you have been doing welding, you come with a photo to show that you are doing welding, maybe some videos to explain what you are doing. Then from there now, we look at which level will we certify you, or will we assess you and give out your name for certification. Depending on the POE, what we have seen you doing, and based on the occupational standard, what the curriculum states that it should be done in that course for that level, we advise you on which level to enroll. Then from there, we book you for assessment. And as Madam has said, we can either assess you in the field. If you are working in your workstation, you just direct us, we come and assess you. Or you can come to our institution, and then also we assess you within our institution.
Alright, wanchibulili nugetenga magana agendera kuba amaya amansukigima wetera sechisemi echiga chiachira bono chekerero wetera skuru ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College una abati kwa na madama Irene na bigo Mr. Kibrangat enkilinga ayo monyana na bigo nyarekana nku alingiga gose konya kubwati muchengo kwenda kwanya robo manyi waligiri muntu kusona gali kwa bwatu manyi kwa lulu muntu nali gali okole bintu geteka guseni chiubwaga cha macha kubeka kwa manyire lakini tubwati karatasi tubisha kucho kubwatu na serikali nganki koko kutubwati sakara wono mnyoka Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College eligere bono oigwi certificate serukiago unabati kireko teba witege ntukiliyo manyite na handi gwetenga nike bando guchenekyo na gintu kekigaga kabesa kali registration eligere onyoli certificate ewike ino mwana uli osobete by day Irene ekerongo jaga ali osinche na aligere iri muntu nakobeka majina amanyire mwangire certificate nkobere tofauti neyo osomete class emyaka usini yonse
ya tebwati tabautinde
igona bigweka
eri nko uri osomira matuka yonsi eri ngokwa
igoncho banyibwa ne bogo nkonya nintanya ko soikira zini
eri to sidak yekorwa eri okowewa eko to kutumeria tari aho go sidak base bari bakorosi certificate na bakoroseri abande naye bakoroseri bana
igo mwanafunzi akonyora na nchinyore chigwekaine
chibwati to bauti.
Alright, asante sana. Pengine kidogo tukiangalia mambo kuna wale pengine wanauliza do you have a driving school?
Yes, we have.
Yes, mwalimu.
Yeah. We have a driving school and currently classes are ongoing. Our instructors are on ground. They have started classes. And our driving school, we have partnered with a driving school called Expert, and we are offering up to class P, class P1 and P2, that is automatic and manual. For driving school, we are only charging 9,000 tuition fees. Yeah. So classes are ongoing now, and everyone can come as long as you have an ID.
Madam Komentuli kena sogendi.
Ego na tebenga abantu baminto karibu gocha injito bayigeria mangana yo bogendia na inde tori kuira matuko mange ege weta guchakira umutinyo yo momba kemetinye 3 nechibese chimwe wetiribukiana nechinge sana tyagutika abana ka inchutu egere.
Naam, mwalimu, mara nyingi kuna yule mwanafunzi na mzazi wanajiuliza kwamba mimi nikijiunga na taasisi ya Kitutu Masaba, je, serikali itanisaidia nini? Kuna usaidizi, government funding yeyote inapatianwa katika shule yenu?
Yeah, actually.
Naam.
Part of the fees or much of the fees is covered by government. So in the fees per module, part of it is paid by the household, which is the student or the parent, and then we have funding from government. One, we have help. Help is a loan, which is given by higher education's funding, and then we have a scholarship also. So when a student is admitted to our institution, he or she will be assisted to apply for help and a scholarship. So you will find at the end of the module, these two funds will help to pay around 75% of the fees. Yeah. So that will make the cost met by the parents or the guardians to go low.
Madam Helene, kwandira ngobo konyu bigabwa abana bakonyarukura serikali mweto mwibuli nagusia bibuli abange okonyara no gwanse ndiro konyero mwibuli abwato mwibogo somi mwana lakini ekelu chikulige byonyora bwata abana gusimba 3 skuru tabwa tibesa bona abigitu mwana kali asinja tabwa tibesa
bono igaga kireta ke itobeka abana baito inka ekiagere serikali yerure woto achibesa egento ko ligene siringi 500 beke simime ubu apply gucha se poto ya kup seka ya igoirwe bakwa chibese ngo kwa bari scholarship ngo kwa bari chibese cyo mubuko tokoroka wallet chibese chekero cyonse ogo chivukani nabo chikogero che school alavo mabungo itongo kwa ari chibese che parcel unabone ga into gatomete chiribunye tayari school
kero mwanafunzi asaba ba apply
asaba nababere ba apply te bakitutu Masaba bayiru chibese 4000 ekero kubulukani chibese cyo onye keno mwana natagete gosoma chibese omo ibori araru nechinge sana kyagara bona onye household to go sa 5000 tayari omubungu okorwerere kiri bunye
wakaneyoka
neri bwokuru ate kibesi cyokuruka household igora wakaneire ekiri kinde kigotigare school fees government ngo gotomerere kibesa kiri cyamatemu omwana omungaine kiri yagotomeru cye warete cyo gotumeka abakorusinke akana matemu omwibo neraga kweniga nigakeiga arete kigotigara omwana asome tingagire tinga omwana omwibo naro rasinyu kwira omwana school roke school yaito yakitutu masaba omubungo ito nato temete sana gototomera kibesa uroji nabone gototomere kipasere kinde nkiracha lakini yaitero tayari yaachire ibona ntuntu agenderete
mwanchi mwalieli ndo mwanchi mwategelele katujo usangamo ni maetinga kuna wale pengine mwalimu Kibrangata wanauliza kwamba mimi kwetu ni mbali na Kisii lakini ningependa kusomea chuo kikuu ama taasisi ya ufundi ya kiufundi ya Kituru Masaba. Je, kuna vile viumba vya makazi ya wanafunzi?
Fiko. First, our institution is located near the highway, Kisii-Keroka highway. Though we don't have accommodation inside the institution, but we have partnered with the local surrounding environment, that is a Birongo market, where we have our students residing from. So basically, we have the accommodation around the institution, which are affordable, from as low as 1,500 to 2,000.
1,500 mwanafunzi anakaa?
1,500 only. Yeah, na mwanafunzi atakaa mwezi mmoja. Yeah.
Madam Kerogo na mangana hostel singwete nga mangana aramaya beka ngase kikusiba hivi.
Kerogo chari school yaitege ekubwate partnership ne obwamate ne Chiland Road. Bono ntubunogo cha ntomaite enyomba asire. Bunogo chaiga etoko kobakora admission ayoche nebintu byawo. Twakerera Land Road iri ase enyomba asire tokoimokirio kariyo kabako. Omwana maeta abana baitombe yanjite naro atayunjite niko menye nyomba ya 1500 entubwate nyomba ya 1500 eya igurupine kiri bubere nero gochora sakobera ache akobugima achake gosoma
igasoko benya omuyibuli olisiko gali te chanda kuyegi mono nganga mwana nagucha kobera
yatabasa gwechanda nonye
pengine talk about the security usalama wa wanafunzi mwalimu Kibrangata.
Yeah, actually security,
yes,
for our
and you know security is the key.
Yeah, that's the key actually.
Yeah, now.
So we have a police post near Birongo, and I can assure that security is guaranteed within where our students are residing. And I can confirm that we have never had a case of insecurity reported by
pengine mahali mwanafunzi amedhulumiwa hamjawahi ripotiwa hiyo.
Huko security iko sawa, and we are okay.
Madam Ili?
igari arasa
bata bayibuli mbarako nyora unabona umungina naro tulireti otagakiyo musubati uli oralinga kwani buyiga yani abana abanyaruka iri Kituru Masaba ngai baje kwamenya na nchi buonega arungu mate ga igabo neka gusenye nyangoso kwana ngo mubiri yo molemi igurubulindi bwo mwana
onye no mwana omuise ko bwate enche no musubati tigango tenga oborendi borobwe bwisaine ntubwate police post abasigari mbabekire gari Birongo ya mate nane ntwana kweguna onyeneri tukerimo nga abana baitomba koretwe kebekende gyonsi yaya naenda ali noche skuru abana abaiseke na bara abange bunanje ngo som business abana abange ngo somi ngo bara abaiseke na bongo tenge class kyane majority aseto tanga 100% 80% na abaiseke 20% nera abamura igonga na mangana security nga gusumwana onenga kyago chakoba yero mangana ayo tigamba mbakikishe mbashwe buna kende nkeyo kera monyore ya yo burendi borobumbu isaine school yaito ni bwato burendi
agara tukunde kusagana walimu abo mwancho mulira ngo kwa deliver msikilizaji na mtazamaji pengine nitoe nafasi kwako asina mpa Yesu 0741583878 0726447367 urase radio urase TV otuligena gotegerera tukwandire ngukwani abalimu aba Kituru Masaba andake gikuigure uragani kubuliri boli usaragani kuba congratulation ase amangana mayabale tiseni gaiga studio na gwetera siswe mechechi kero mugusuma gama emambia bono kwa ngo nchiga studio mwancho muliri 0741 583878 0726447367 na bukwani abarokia baiga aba Kitutu Masaba elijore andake ubatebimbye muno usenayo tebenga nkuturaga nikubanya asishebi chigaba kwena na siskuru iga yobubundi ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College yonkwatali bako mwanchubo lili ntabuli sibicha biberiga nduchabangira abalikire akotenga vanadada Mr. Usarigo salimia au wageni wacha watoto wachitolee wasome na ni ukweli wamesema mambo mazuri. Anaitwa Vened Jebet. Asante sana Vened Jebet. Shukrana. Akirintona mubegi agotobaga Usarigo akikweria balimu abu ba Kitutu Masaba Technical bamboleli ine umwanafunzi ekera chira seskuru ya umwanafunzi cyo chira seskuru ya abo takolete school nabwo taliba irire ne buri uchkorene limubegi gayi yamanse yemo yongote muri requirements inchi chichiga asumwanafunzi cyo cha seskuru mabuli mange sana gochega murawa muchama Mariogi kwa chinsamo chirichia Nyangweta gotobenga good morning Usarigo salimia walimu au kwa mambo mazuri tuko ndani na tunategea. Asante kwa sababu ya Kitutu Masaba. Getembe TV and Radio. Hello. Getembe TV and Radio. Hello. Yes.
Usarigo amuna bageni wale studio na bako wani kema biyabona bwagire buya.
Tuwaitagure biyabona sana karibu.
No gatawanyura jinsa mune kiari na Joshua manana.
Oh yes, karibu sana Joshua.
Jena ko boringa una tema ta ko ge tigali la kitimbo direse. Iba tayari nganda ruwese ngeni madaka.
Asante Madam Aileen, nafikiri kwa umepata swali.
Ngendo tena ko bori abwate abana babo chikomenya. Omade tumbo kwanza iko kenengera babo chikoli wote babo tena.
Asante sana. Swali hili ameuliza ndugu Kibra, labda uelewe. Ameuliza maswali mawili. La kwanza ni kwamba yeye anaelewa mambo ya kuendesha gari lakini ana license. Je, akija mtamsaidia na anafaa kutafuta pesa ngapi? Ndio amesema, najua mtamjibu swali kama hilo. La pili amesema kwa upande wa wanafunzi na makazi yao pale Ostars, nyinyi kama shule ndani ya Kitutu Masaba ameuliza swali la kuchekeza kwamba je, mko na mpango wa chakula ndani ya lishe ndani ya shule? Swali kama hilo. 0741583878 asena bayisi ni mwichibulimbu libiri chokaiga karichu kana tukinsangana balimu gaiga ya masemo inkiora gani uko na barabu andake kwa iguli boli usokomenta asiskuru ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College bono mambio kwa na Madam Aileen na Mr. Kibrangat au bagotwa amangana iga ajichiseni ya masemo. Tukiendelea kuchukua ingine, mwalimu labda turudi kwa swali hilo ambalo limeulizwa.
Okay, for food within our institution, we have a school canteen, and also outside our institution, we have also hotels where students can get their food. So,
kwa hivyo mambo ya tumbo yanashughulikiwa vilivyo. Asante. Upande wa swali lake kwamba yeye anajua kuendesha ama anajua kuendesha magari lakini hana license.
Okay, kwa hiyo itabidi amekuja. We will talk with our assessors, see how we can help, but he will be subjected to assessment, and then he will pay the assessment fee, and he will get the license.
Gilbert Okongo from from Nyandiwa, naomba mrudie namba ya simu ya shule. Walimu nabanga nitinyulie namba ya simu asemo kutoka gero yanyoreri swali ya buliribuya ne tachigo chandeka.
Namba ya simu gere 07 0743 48 0999 ego se yendere 07 82 49 0068.
Nana Karistas Okongo anasema Karistas Okongo Usarigo ask them do they have fashion and design courses?
Ntobwata course ya fashion and design tokoroka eco department yeko institutional management. As institutional management igebagire mara gatatu tobwata fashion and design togatwala cosmetology ko beauty therapy togatwala mangana food and beverage. Asa mangana fashion and design ngwege to fashion and design level 3 igona tekere level 3 no monto kwalite class 8 o inero gocha kwala level 3 alafu ntubwate fashion and design level 4 muntu onyorete grade D minus kose akanyora E. Ntubwate fashion and design level 5 muntu bwate D plain ne D plus, alafu ntubwate fashion and design level 6 omuntu onyorete C minus ne C plain. One wate C D plus ne D plain level 5. Igonya gotagete gochati gachaigero bobundi tomwegeri gosone yanga kagosoka no muntu orangai oyo nanso nere suti. Karibu sana
Mwalimu Kiplangat. Najua amejibu pande moja, lakini kuna yule pia aliuliza mimi sikumaliza shule kwa sababu moja nyingine. Je, kuna nafasi yangu pale na ana karatasi lolote lile?
Yeah, kuna nafasi. We have a program called NITA, which we can admit even someone with just an ID, and he can proceed from there. Once we certify with NITA, that's level 2, that person now can proceed to TVET SEDAC, which is level 3, and that progression will continue. So that person can progress even up to diploma level 6.
Labda tukisalia kwako mwalimu, kwa sababu naona muda wetu pia umetupa kisogo, kumaanisha kwamba tuna dakika chache kama dakika 2 hivi kumaliza 3. Labda nirudi kwako, changamoto ama wasia wako kwa msikilizaji na mtazamaji moja kwa moja ni upi kuhusiana na masomo mafunzo mazuri ndani ya taasisi ya Kitutu Masaba?
So Kitutu Masaba it's a well equipped institution. With the courses that we have, it's very wide. We have even courses such as electrical, which my colleague has not talked of. We have also mechanical. And in mechanical engineering, we have refrigeration and air conditioning, which is our center of excellence. So that's now where we need more students, because it's well equipped. Despite that those other courses also been well equipped, we are a center of excellence actually in refrigeration and air conditioning. Then we have also business and entrepreneurship courses, which includes office administration, ile secretarial. We also have a supply chain, ile mambo na procurement, that one also we have. And then we have human resource, mambo na kuajiri watu na kushughulikia wafanyikazi. So basically our institution is doing good in terms of admission so far, and maybe there is something that we have not talked of on requirements for admission. What we only need is, when you apply for our institution, you come with your certificates, that's KCB, KCSE, if you have, and then we have a national ID, but it's not also necessary, because we have those who have not obtained their national ID, but we can use their certificates, that's the birth certificate. And then we have 2 colored passports, photos, and then we have any other certificate that's relevant.
Nashukuru sana mwalimu, asante sana kwa kuwa pamoja nasi. Madam, akanuchia kanira ndake muigankira kwane katokukura ukubuli kwa ucheso muibuli bono mambi.
Again, tolata ya bayibuli bono mambia toletera abana bache basome. Igari school ya itonto bwate kiregento. Anya secretary of studies yogo kora year office administration to bwate chi computer 100. 100 computers. Yona benga umwana ndori go sangana no go sange computer. Kilo monto ga kwegeregento kiaye. Awe kanansa ayigere computer yae asomi kunto bwata barimu bayigeri buya asamangana yo gosoma. Njomba nyene ngosoma procurement management inchunkwegeri bunatoko gatibinto bunatoko gora natoko ni kiregento inchunkwegeri buya igo inchuo tosomi abana abayibori baito data abana basome biyamana
asingenche wetogokora ndake bali bakuligiretia lia abayibori kalia abanafunzi abalimo korambwe gansi nabidangane ya muche swali mbata banga Irene kwa linge studio ngio tata banga mjemule gau
biyamana sana kwa ni hapa ye school ya ito principal ya ito James Nyakundi barare ko mwakira mu yanero to facilitate to achagaiga my colleagues balitoka kwa na wegasi na barubange to moyo moneka nari gucana wete lakini bagantenga gerema magano kwane ne TV yaito ya redi TV yaito ya Getembe ngo bakira mbuya mona sengenjo mwatwariga nigo chagaiga bya mona sana.
Thank you Madam Mwalimu. Mwalimu, labda kumalizia, unaona ametoa shukrani kwa principal, pia walimu na wanafunzi, labda wewe kabla tufunge, jambo la mwisho ni lipi Mwalimu Kiplangat?
Asante sana. On behalf of principal Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College, I want also to thank you, that's Getembe TV and radio, for hosting us and giving us this opportunity to talk about our institution. I'm also appreciating and thanking our viewers and listeners in the radio for their time, and I'm encouraging those who are at home viewing us or listening to us. For any queries, you can call even now, and you will be responded to.
Toa namba tunapomaliza. Namba ya simu.
Namba ya simu, you can reach us through 0743 480 999. I repeat, 0743 480 999. For Airtel, we have 0782 490 068, 0782 490 068. You can also email us through kitutumasapatvc@gmail.com, and you can also apply or visit to our website to apply through www.kmtvc.ac.ke. Then also you can reach us through Facebook, Kitutu Masaba TVC, Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College page.
Asante walimu, shukrani. Onchumuliringa mbie mono asinje twalinge na Mwalimu Kiplangat na Mwalimu Madam Hailile wa Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College keratu kwenda mutumo kwa moke stand by kurunga Cyrus Nyakundi mangana mayango chale gaiga sinchere yubu ikirona sisa isatase radio tusabo kubera sinje twalide kayagayemo. Bye bye sobono tukwira na ACTV ne sama request no muga kokoroke bacha etumbiri.
Masaba Technical and Vocational College igego kwarigania ase intake ya January eyu ebwata chikosi ao bunabono Agricultural and Environmental Studies, Mechanical and Automotive Engineering, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning, Welding and Fabrication na wigo ase ensema ya Building and Civil Engineering, nkwegeri bale Plumbing, Masonry, Carpentry and Joinery, Building Technology, Civil Engineering na wigo Water Engineering. Ase ensema ya Computing and Informatics, nkwegeri bale ICT Operator, ICT Technician, Computer Packages, Cyber Security na wigo na Network System Administration. Ase ensema ya Electrical and Electronic Engineering, nkwegeri bale Electrical Installation na wigo Electrical Engineering. Ase ensema ya Cosmetology, nkwegeri bale Hairdressing, wigo mbabwate Fashion Design. Ase Hospitality and Tourism, nkwegeri bale Food Production yani cookery na wigo Food and Beverage Production. Wigo mbabwate course ya Driving kuchasi bali bonse baraganye kwegera kugenda Kigali.
Asa Marieta Ngorogu James Barare Nyakundi, a principal ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College, eye gotoka Alimongoni, Kitutu Masaba North Sub-County, Kitutu Masaba Constituency, Nyamira County. Abana baino bali ba college school ya class 8 was form 4 batagiye universities acha teyo babere isiko ekiagara boniga se Kitutu Masaba ntobwate chikose zichene kono cy'ububundi cyonsi. Abana ngwakana bali kibese ne serikali wetera the government scholarship mkwaye bali loan cyo gosoma wetera help higher education loans board ne kibese cyo mwana nkwaye wale kiri kitokoroka out of pocket ekyo mwana gotumia kumenye school urendagera na gwakane se nyomba komenya egento kende abana nkwaye bali ki constituency bursaries and even county government bursaries ekyo applications kirororo n'ababunge bunabono mu bungo Kitutu Masaba constituency bwana honorable Clive Gisairo we are committed sana aso support abana bagocha Kitutu Masaba egende getangania tabiri mwana ndo kwense gocha Kitutu Masaba wekagwe bursary in full inta abana baito January nitekinega ndereta abana bali bako school January mwakaribishwe ndoga ndereta na intake na application sinchigenderete
asamange nabo ukubatalira ase skuri yiga kose obakirisi migwitara sinamba chabo 0743480999 kose 0782490068.
Enyagitari ya HK International Medical